Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Learners. In this video, we'll be creating this navigation bar using HTML and CSS. So this is our first project in HTML, and if you have not accessed it yet, go and access it. I will be providing the link in the description box. So without wasting your time, let's get started.
A jolt and then you'll die.
So let us start making our website. I have created a new folder called projects. So I'll be first opening my VS Code. Open with Visual Studio Code, and my Visual Studio Code has been opened. So first I select the folder. I select projects folder, and so I have selected this image as the background. I have just selected only one image, and I downloaded this image from Unsplash itself, and I'll make a new file called project1 website. Oh, what happened? Website for, so never leave spaces in a heading. Oh, why this message is coming? Project 1 website for school .html, and I'll put the boilerplate, and I will toggle my word wrap, and I start my live server too, and my live server has been started. As you can see here, I'll give a title called website and save it. As you can see, this has a title with website. So let us first make our navigation bar for our website. So for creating a navigation bar, I'll be making UL with ID content, and inside that I'll make a LI into 4. I want 4 LIs: home, about us, services, contact us. And I'll make a href tag. First I'll use the multi-cursor functionality here. I'll write a href, and I will give hash. Hash is used when you want to try a website. When you want to try a href tag. Home, about us, services. Oh, what had happened? Services, contact us, and I'll save it. As you can see here, it's written home, about us, services, contact us. My Google Chrome has been opened. So I'll go to my style tag, and I'll target hash content, and I will give overflow hidden. Then I will give background color as black. Then I'll give list style type none, and save it. As you can see here, so I'll target the li, and I will make float right. What we're planning is I'll make a navigation bar in the middle, and here will be our registration form, and here will be our 3 boxes. So I'll make float right, and I'll target LIA, and I will make it color white. Then I will make text decoration none, so that as you can see here, and I'll give some margin and padding too. I'll give margin as 1 pixel, and I'll give padding as 1 pixel, so 15 pixel and 16 pixel, and save it. Yeah, it's okay nice now. And I will target the I'll go to my content, hash content, and I will make give some padding to it, and I'll give padding 14 pixel, then 26 pixel, and I'll give margin, so let us get margin for now. Yeah, as you can see here, it's looking like a navigation bar. Let us make the search bar too. To make a search bar, you should make input type text, and you can give some ID. I'll give ID as search, and you can give some placeholder as search our website, and save it. As you can see that there is a placeholder now. So what can I do next? Yeah, we can give some width to it. Before giving width, you can give some opacity to it. Opacity, I will give 0.6. It will become light, as you can see here. So we will make a hover too. So when someone hovers on it, background color should be that. LIA hover. When someone hovers on it, the background color should become, I'll go to white, and I'll use the color picker. I think this color is nice. Yeah, as you can see that when someone hovers on it, it will become, and I'll give padding to it because it's so small. I'll give padding as 10 pixel, and I think it's enough. Yeah, 10 pixel is enough. I'll give some width to it because I want that to be in center. I'll give width as 610 pixel. I think this much is enough. Oh yeah, 610 pixel worked. And I'll give margin to it, 0 pixel auto, and save it. As you can see that now this navigation bar is in center. So we have completed our navigation bar. So next is we'll be creating a form. So let us start making our form for this website. So this navigation bar is looking nice. As you can see here, when someone hovers on it, you can add more styling to it, but if I add more styling, this video is going to be more lengthy, so I didn't made more styling. So to create a registration form, you can use div with ID. Let me give ID as form, and inside the form you can give input type text or name, ID as f name, and you can give value to it. I'm not giving placeholder because placeholder is nice for navigation bar, but it will not look nice for form. So I'm not giving placeholder. So I will give a value of enter your first name, and I'll save it. And as you can see that now there is a text here with value enter your first name. I'll just copy it, paste here, paste here, paste here. This is going to be ID as name, and this ID is email, this ID is password. I will give email, and here I write enter your last name instead of enter your first name. Last name, enter your email ID, mail ID, and here I will write enter your password. And as you can see that there are 4 text areas now. I'll just break it. It will be a tag, be a tag, be a tag, and as you can see that these are in another line. So I will just go to my styling, and I will give hash f name, that is my first name, and I will give some padding of 15 pixel. Then I will give text align center, so the text will become center. Then I will give font size. Font size I'll give 19 pixel. Then I'll give some border radius to it. Border radius of 50 pixel. Then I'll give border to it of border 4 pixel solid black. So as you can see that this is like a text area. Yes, and I'll just copy it and I paste here, paste here, paste here. And this is password. This as email. This as name. It means slash name. As you can see that there are 4 text area, but I don't want this lines here. So to stop that, you can use margin top. Margin top. You can give 5 pixel. I think it will work, and it worked. I'll copy it. I'll paste to my email and to my page, and I will paste to password too and save it. As you can see that now here a small text area became. Yes. And what can I do next? Yeah, we can write h1 tag with id join, and here I'll make join us now and save it. Yeah, here it's written join us now, and I will give hash join. I will give padding of 10 pixel. Before padding I'll give and I'll give margin left. I'll give 5 pixel 5px, and I'll give padding right. I'll give 36 pixel, then 36 pixel, then padding left. I'll give 36 pixel again. Then I'll give background color. Oh, what had happened? I'll save it. Yeah, it's looking nice. So I'll remove padding because it's not necessary. So instead of padding, let me give border now. Oh, where is the hash join? I'll remove this. Background color I'll give red. Then I will give border 2 pixel solid red. Then I will give margin left. I'll give 51 pixel. I think it's looking nice. Yeah, it's looking nice. Then I'll give width of 165 pixel. Then I'll give, what can I give else? I can give opacity of 0.8. I'll save it. Yeah, it's looking nice now. I can make color white so it will look more nice. Color white and save it, as you can see here. So what can I do next? I can give border radius. So border radius of 10 pixel. Then I can give padding I'll just copy it and I'll paste here. Copy it, paste here, paste here, paste here, and I'll give padding left, padding right, padding top, then padding bottom, and I will give padding for left. I will give 8 pixel. I'll give all the sides 8 pixel. 8 pixel. I use the multi-cursor functionality. As you can see now, it's looking like a real form. So, but my planning is I want the form here down. So to make that, you can just go to join, and you can make margin top. You can make 166 pixel. Yeah, it's worked. As you can see that now this form is in downside. And I forgot to make a button. Oh, button type submit with ID sub, and button type reset with the ID not dollar res, and I'll give reset, and I'll give this as submit and save it. As you can see that there are 2 buttons now, reset and submit. I'll use the BR tag here, so it will come to another line. Yeah, it came to another line. So I'll be targeting the sub, and I'll give padding to it of padding. Where is that? Padding of 10 pixel, and I'll give margin top of 15 pixel, and margin left margin left of I will give how much can I give 51 pixel, and I'll give border of 2 pixel solid. Now I'll first save it and see. I think 51 pixel is more. I'll give 5 pixel. 5 pixel. I think 5 pixel is nice. As you can see here, 5 pixel. And I'll go border 2 pixel solid black. Yeah, I'll see. Third solid black. Yeah, as you can see here, we created a simple form. I'll do some padding left and right to it. Padding left, I'll use 36 pixel. I'll copy it and I'll paste to padding right also. Right, GHT, right. As you can see, it worked. I'll copy this and paste here, and I'll write res, and I'll make back color as black itself, and I'll copy this line and I'll paste here also. Oh, we forgot to make color white. You know, website is very tough if you're coding. And I'll give some border radius of 5 pixel. And I'll copy it and I paste it here. Yeah, it's really nice. I'll make sub hover. I'll make back color. I'll make gray, and border radius I'll make 10 pixel. I'll save it, I'll copy it, and I will paste in my why this? I'll just write res. As you can see, it worked. So we have finished creating our form. So let us create boxes now. So let us start making our boxes. To make our boxes, you should make a div tag first. Make another div tag with ID boxes. You can give box ID of your own, and I'll give make another div tag with ID box 1. What the planning is, here there should be 2 boxes and here there should be 1 box. And what can I make? I can make h1 tag with ID box 1 head, and I'll make lorem. If you don't know what to write, you can use lorem tags. And I'll make another paragraph tag with ID box 1 para, and I'll use lorem 20. Lorem 20. As you can see, there are 20 words now. So we'll be styling it. I'll just copy it and I'll paste here. I'll paste here too, and I'll give box 2 head, box 2 para, box 3 head, box 3 para. Oh, not box 4 para, box 3 para. I'll save it. As you can see that there are 3 paragraph tags now. So I'll be going into my style tag, and then I'll be writing hash box 1. So first I'll be targeting box 1. You can give border to it, border for pixel solid black. Then you can give some height for it. It's random. You can choose height on your own. I'm choosing 184 pixel for now, and I'll give width as 300 pixel. 100 pixel as, and save it. As you can see that here a small box became, and we'll be styling it more. So I'll make text align center. If I make that, all the text will come in center, and I'll give float right, so the box will come to right side. No, not flood color, I want float right, and I'll save it. I think, yeah, now this box is in right side, as you can see here. Then what can I make? I can make background color as black, and I'll make color as white. I'm just exchanging color. As you can see here, now it's looking like a real box. And I will make opacity as 0.9. Oh, 0.9. I want 0.9, and save it. So now it's looking nice. So I'll give some margin because I want this box to be here. So I want margin. I'll just give 0 pixel and right click and inspect it. Right click, inspect. Where are you, margin? I'm searching for you. The margin is here. What is happening here? Oh, I forgot. I want to give margin top. Only the top will change. If I do like this, then it will just spoil my website. And I'll just use my arrow keys and just clicking down arrow key now. I think 441 pixel is nice. I'll copy it and I'll paste it here, and I'll copy this box one and I will paste it here and here too, and I'll give this as box 3 and box 2. As you can see that all the box went inside this box. All got hidden. And I will just make it to, I think, 221 pixels is nice. To box 2. Oh. And let us go to box 3. For box 3 we should use another one, margin right, and I'll save it. First I'll use 0 pixel and I'll right click and inspect it. I think it's box 3. Right click, inspect. Yeah, margin right. I'll just increase this margin right, and I think this much margin right is enough. I'll copy it and I'll paste it here, and I will just increase this margin. I think this much margin is enough for this, and save it. First I'll save it like this. Yeah, as you can see that we have completed our website, so we can add more thing. Border, radius, 10 pixel. Yeah, 10 pixel is looking nice. I'll copy it to box 1 and box 3 also. Box 1, paste here. I think this much is nice. So we have completed our box part, and the last part is to give a background to it. To give background, so first I took an image, this graduate image. I'll be using this as background. I downloaded it from Unsplash. I'll provide the link in the description of Unsplash. So I'll go to body and I'll give background URL img graduates, img graduate, and save it. So we have completed our website. This website is looking very nice. As you can see here, you can write first I'll reload it. Enter your first name, I'll write something. Enter your last name, I'll write something. Enter your email, I'll write something. And as you guys, I told you in forms and input tags, you can put a subfolder name in the form tag. So yeah, it's looking nice. As you can see here, contact us. Instead of href, you can copy this link address and put it here. So I'm just making for trial, so I didn't use that. So it's very nice. So thank you so much guys for watching this website, and don't forget to try this website, and subscribe, Tech Learners, and access the playlist too. And I'll see you next time. Bye bye.